Go. Okay, tell us what you're doing.
To make a paper SkyFly airplane, fold a piece of paper in half the long way.
No, not yet. We're gonna wait till Connor gets done.
Then open it back up. Then you fold the triangles down on both sides.
Just a minute, we gotta wait.
Then you fold them kind of tipping. Then you fold down. Fold them down. And then you make the beginning of the paper airplane again. And then you fold it in half. And you fold the wings. And then you fold the other wing. There you have a SkyFly airplane.
All right, show it to us.
My turn.
Very nice.
My turn.